In this video, I'm going to show you a Opencart e-commerce website tutorial. So Opencart is an open source e-commerce platform that enables you to build and manage an online store efficiently. So it's known for its user friendliness, flexibility, and a variety of built-in features to help businesses sell products online. So I'll walk you through how to set up an account for Opencart and how to start selling products. So again, what is Opencart? It's an open source e-commerce platform that offers a complete solution for online store management, including inventory tracking, order management, customer accounts, and more. So it supports multiple source, currencies, and languages, making it ideal for global sales. So why use Opencart? It's easy to install and configure with an intuitive interface. It has extensive customization options with themes and plugins. Also, it has built-in tools for SEO, marketing, and reporting to help grow your online business. So let's get started. So from here in the login page of Opencart, if you don't have an account yet, we just need to click on register right here in the top right. Now from here, enter your username. So I'm just going to add my username, first name, last name, your email, your country, and your password. So now after filling up all of those information, you'll now be redirected. So welcome to Opencart. Your account has been created. So the mail with verification link has been sent to your email address. So first we need to verify our email address. So I'm just going to click on continue right here. Now open up my email. As you can see right here, let's just click on verify. Now, as you can see, account has been successfully verified. So let's now log into our account. So now we will be required to set up a PIN for our account. So just type in your PIN, click on submit. And as you can see, your account PIN has been successfully added and we're now in our account's dashboard. So now from here, basically, you'll see all of these tools and sections. So for the first section, you have your account section right here, which has your account details, where you can edit your account details. You can also change your password, you can modify your payment methods, and of course, there is this showcase tool right here. So submit your store to Opencart's showcase. And of course, you can apply to become a partner. So let's try and open this. As you can see right here, apply to become a partner. So please check before applying to become a partner if you qualify or not. So this is the like requirements. If you want to apply to become a partner, just simply fill all of this information up about your company, partner type, short description, a long description, your address, an image, your social platform, and all of this, and click on submit. Now let's move on to the purchases section. So from here, you will see your orders, your downloads, or your purchased extensions. You can also see your stores. You can also rate your downloads. So of course, to see your stores, you need to register your store first to access the Marketplace API. We also have the extension section right here where you can manage your extensions. You can apply to become a seller and also in the cloud stores right here. So to actually use the e-commerce platform of Opencart, what you want to do is go to the top and click on download just right here. Now it will redirect us to the download section of Opencart. And as you can see right here, you can either choose to open your cloud store. So don't waste time on hosting configurations. And this is the features of opening your cloud store. So it has different server plans, Amazon hosted solution, use multiple domains, files, database backup system, and 24/7 support. You can also choose to download and host your own. So you can download the Opencart application for free. You can also customize your own hosting solution, install and configure your store, and you can get paid support from approved partners or clone the Cart GitHub repository. And also, you can easy set up by host our hosting partner. So this is just like getting partnered by Opencart. So the recommended option is the second one. So simply download the app and host your own. They also have instructions right here in the bottom on how to install Opencart. So simply download the latest version of Opencart, upload your files to your server, and again, next is run automatic installer. So before doing all of this, they have this minimum requirements right here needed so that Opencart can be installed and work properly. So you need all of these requirements. So also in the bottom, you can add extensions. You can buy all of these extensions for your e-commerce website. You can also choose a theme right here. And that's all about it for the app. So let's just go back. So to actually become a seller, you can go here to extensions and click on apply to become a seller. And as you can see right here, you can register for a seller account. So you can sell your work through Opencart's extension section. All you have to do is fill out the form below and submit it. So from here, as you can see, fill your seller details. So this is all of the instructions that you need to do. And again, the payment will be made after the amount of your sales is at least 20 USD. And every time your theme or extension is sold, Opencart will receive 50% commission. So you need to take note of all of this. Now simply fill up all of this information, such as your first name, last name, email, support email, your phone, your website, and of course, you need to add a payment method because becoming a seller on Opencart is not free. So you need to pay for it. So obviously, you need to add a payment method. In this payment method, also, this is where you will get your sales. So after that, simply fill up your address, your seller preferences, seller API, terms and conditions, and click on submit. And by then, when you already have a seller account, you can simply go back and download the app and continue using Opencart's e-commerce platform. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.